She wants to walk. She goes, oh, she goes, do it again.
Wait, guys, just hide. Like, pretend you're not even here.
There she goes.
Come here, baby.
Almost got it.
Come here, Jenny.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let's go get our shoes.
She won't put her shoes on.
Too bad. Too bad.
There she goes.
I'm so happy!
I'm trying to videotape her doing it, and she...
She does
Brandon.
like halfway, and she...
Brandon Michael!
She goes, yeah. Brandon, stay out of the way. She did it. She stood up. Will you stop, Brandon?
It's annoying. It's annoying.
You're annoying.
Ready? Jenny. Stand up.
Oh my God. Ashley and Aunt Sharon are not going to believe this.
She's starting to, like, she's keeping her back legs up.
Jenny.
Not on the honey.
Jenny. Jenny. Jenny.
You can't kiss her like she's an animal.
I'm gonna try to get her open.
She's not going to go up for that. She bites the floor. She goes,
Take a step, take a step, take a step, take a step.
that was up for a while.
Honey, your big butt's in my way. Move.
Brandon, stop. He's excited.
I know he is. Who is it?
Hello? Hey, sweetie, what are you doing?